Did you know YouTube's user base has skyrocketed to over 2 billion active users? This staggering growth makes mastering SEO more critical than ever for creators in 2026. Today, we're diving into YouTube SEO keyword strategies, your key to improving content visibility and expanding your audience. Many creators struggle with SEO, facing fierce competition and constantly changing algorithms that can bury their videos. Utilizing the latest keyword research tools and focusing on long-tail keywords can make a significant difference in your discoverability. One standout strategy I've discovered is leveraging audience insights to tailor your keywords. This can dramatically boost your video rankings. To recap, understanding SEO challenges and implementing these strategies is vital for creators aiming to enhance their reach. Now, I want to hear from you. Share your SEO tips in the comments, and don't forget to check out my video on optimizing titles and descriptions.